Okay. And I heard many people ask a question about main method. So these are the various questions people may ask about main method. See the first question. Should a main method be compulsorily declared in all Java classes? First, we'll see the structure of this Java main method, and then we'll answer all these. See, we'll write main method in this way. We will enclose the main method inside a class. See, public class hello. Public is the access modifier, and the class is keyword. This is name of the class hello. And coming to the signature of the main, public static void main. So main is a public method, static method, and returns nothing. Okay. And some arguments to receive command line arguments. Main has to receive command line arguments. The main has arguments also. Whatever arguments you supply from the command line, they'll comment it in this args array. Okay, clear? So these are access specifiers. Sorry, these are keywords. This is access specifier and this is non-access specifier. We have 4 access modifiers in Java. Okay, these can be written in any order, static, public, or public static. Okay, but void should be preceded before main. Okay, clear? Should a main method be compulsorily declared in all Java classes? No, we can even design classes without main method. Okay, if a class is not having any main method, then that class is referred as an object class. If a class has main method, then we'll call it as a driver class. Okay, so differentiate an object and driver class. Anyways, that also have done. What is the return type of main method? What's the return type of main method? Main returns nothing to the caller, so its return type is void. Okay, why is the main method declared static? Why we are keeping static? So to access any method in from a class, to invoke any method of a class, what we will do? We'll create instance of that class. From that instant, from that object dot method name. In that way we will call. But here main is invoked by whom? Main is called by JVM before instantiating this class. Before creating object of this class hello, this main is called by JVM. So we may static methods can be invoked before instantiating of a particular class. For that reason we made main as public, sorry, static. Okay, what is the argument of the main method? What is the argument? An array of strings. Okay, when we run java space or class name space some xyz, those xyz's will come and sit here. Okay, args of 0 x, args of 1 y, args of 2 z. If you do not give anything, then it is not null, it is an empty array. That also you have to remember. If I do not supply any command line arguments, then this args is an empty array. It is not equal to null. Okay, is it possible to overload main method? First of all, what is meant by overloading? Writing more number of methods with the same name in a single class. Okay, and we have to differ the number or the type of the arguments of that method. We can even overload main method. That is also possible. Compiler will not give any error. It is possible to overload the main method. Okay, does the order of public and static declaration matter in the main method? Order of public and static is not a matter, but void has to be before main. Okay, why it has main is preceded by 3 keywords. Why main should be public, why main should be static, why main should be void. We have discussed these two, static and void. Because main returns nothing, its return type is void. Main has to be invoked before instantiating the enclosing class, so it is static. And main is called by JVM, which is from the outside environment. For that reason it made public. Okay, so all those points I have specified here, you can go through them. And the next set of question is, what's the difference between procedural